In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit subtitles on Amazon Prime Video, whether you're looking to make subtitles larger for easier reading, change their color for a better contrast, or simply want to personalize your viewing experience. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will present a drop-down menu with a range of options tailored to your account management needs. Here you want to look for the option labeled Account and Settings. Give it a click. This will take you to a new page dedicated to various aspects of your Prime Video account. On this settings page, locate the tab labeled Subtitles. It's typically situated among other options like Playback and Parental Controls. Click on Subtitles to proceed to the section where you can customize the appearance of your subtitles. This page is the gateway to tailoring your subtitle experience on Prime Video. Once you're in the subtitles section, you have a couple of choices at your disposal. You can select from existing subtitle presets if you find one that suits your needs right off the bat. These presets are designed for common preferences in style, font, and color. However, if none of these presets quite hit the mark for you, don't worry. You're also given the option to click on Edit, which allows for more granular control over how your subtitles appear on screen. In the editing mode, take your time to explore the various customization options available. Here, you can adjust the font size, choose different colors for the text and background, and modify the opacity to your liking. Experiment with these settings until you find the perfect combination that improves your viewing experience. Remember to preview the changes as you make them to ensure they meet your satisfaction. Once you're happy with the adjustments, simply hit the Save button. This action will apply your customized settings across all content you watch on Amazon Prime Video, ensuring your preferences persist for future viewing sessions. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to edit subtitles on Amazon Prime Video, tailoring them to your unique preferences for a more enjoyable and comfortable viewing experience. Happy watching!